obviously you've passed recently,
Yeah.
and yeah, just find out a little bit more about style, really. So first off, whereabouts are you trading from?
Okay. I started. Do you want me? Do you want me to say my background on trading?
Yeah, sure.
So,
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm actually 22 years old, and I started when I was like 18.
Yeah.
And I think like everyone, I started to watching YouTube videos and learning the basics, support, resistance, and everything. Things that actually didn't work for me. I tried a couple of strategies, and I recently got. I mean, I actually just recently I made. I started to make profit. Sorry for my English; it's not perfect. I'm not actually British.
Yeah, that's okay.
And just recently, I started to see profits, and that's why I made a subscription with you guys.
Right. Okay. So, what is it? Is it short term, long term? Like what's the overall method?
Yeah. So, I usually enter on 4 hours trade, but then I actually all the trades, even for days, even weeks, sometimes if I have to.
Right. Okay. So it's sort of mixed. Is it mostly technical or fundamental? Or?
It's technical analysis.
Right.
I actually spent years backtesting, so it's it's only a technical analysis.
Okay. I noticed that there's quite a lot of instruments. Is there a reason for this? Like, is there a reason that you've ran through so many pairs?
No, I just actually have most of the main currency exchange. That's it. These are the pairs that I trade on.
Right.
And depending on the week, if I see an opportunity, then I will study the chart, and then I will decide if I'm gonna put an entry or not. I do a weekly on Saturday and Sunday. I start to watch the charts, and then I'm gonna make my analysis, and that's it. And my risk reward is my take profit is always 3 times my my stop loss.
Right. Okay. In
There
terms
is
of risk to reward.
Yeah. There is just one trade in which I lost 33 pounds, I think. But that's because I was so busy at work that I couldn't check the unit that I was trading.
Yeah.
And I got like a loss of 33 pounds. Otherwise, but only because I was so busy.
Right. Okay. But I consider the average loss and the average win is pretty good. And obviously that's the profit factor is pretty high on here as well. It's above 1. So it's good to see. So is there a main plan that you strictly follow on a day-to-day basis?
Can I actually show you how do I trade? Okay, so I'm gonna show you my latest trade. Is that all right for you?
Absolutely, yeah. Go for it.
Okay, this is a GBP CHD.
Okay.
And what I did basically, let me just use the replay instrument. I don't know why it's not working, sorry. I started to watch this chart, and I could see that it was on a downtrend.
Yeah.
And so what I usually do is...
Here we're on the 4 hour.
Yeah, we are on a daily.
Daily, okay.
Yeah, so what I did, usually wait that the market is doing this kind of movement. So lower low, in this case, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high.
Yeah.
And going a little bit forward. Yeah, so, and I got this this mini correction, sorry.
Yeah.
And then an impulse. Now, right before the impulse, there is this little correction right here. and what I do is basically sign it as a zone in where is there is a lot of demand of going short. That's what it means to me.
Right. Okay.
And then what I do is basically just wait the price to go in this zone.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So this was a trade that was taken on the end of level 1, yeah?
Yeah. So the two trades, so GBP CHD and EUR CHD, I think.
Okay.
So I waited until the price was here.
Right.
Let me just remove this, and then I go on the 4 hours pattern. I mean time frame.
Yeah.
And I'm waiting for a rejection, basically.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
So nothing yet. Yeah. Nothing yet. Now I like these candles specifically.
Mm-hmm.
And sorry, and I just put an entry I think right here, right?
Yeah.
I put an entry over here. I usually put the stop loss right here, right up at the top of the last week.
Right.
And then I set up my take profit. And
so the stop losses, they tend to just go like, is it above the prior high or? Yeah,
exactly. So, and then eventually the price, as you can see, it touched my entry and then it went down. It just went down.
And what about target? What how do you find that?
Well, I usually first I set the stop loss, and then my take profit is 3 times the stop loss. That's my target.
Okay, that's interesting. But yeah, definitely. Thank you for showing me.
And I can show you even EUR CHD.
Yeah, that example,
which is the same thing, I think. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. So let me just go a little bit backwards. Yeah, so price was in the zone and I just waited for a rejection. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, so this for me was the candle of rejection. And I just put an entry again right above here, somewhere here. And then the price went down again. So I went short. So and it touched my take profit again. Then what else? Even I can show you my other trades if you want.
To be honest, I'm happy with some of the statistics here. Let me share my screen once more.
Yeah.
So obviously, the risk to reward looks really good. Best profit 65, biggest loss 33. So I assume you're going to be doing a similar thing on the next level.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, it all looks very, very good. Obviously, the 10% profit's really good to see. And yeah, and have a good trading week ahead next week.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
And you. Bye-bye.